Hello everyone. Today let us learn about the bonding of iron in hemoglobin and cytochromes. How does iron related to hemoglobin? Iron is an essential element for blood production. About 70% of our body's iron is found in RBC of our blood called as hemoglobin molecule. Hemoglobin is essential for transferring oxygen molecule in our blood from the lungs to the all other parts of our tissues. This is the very important role. Hemoglobin represents about two-thirds of the body's iron content. If we do not have enough iron, our body cannot make enough healthy oxygen carrying red blood cells. So iron is a important component to our body. Without healthy RBC, our body cannot get enough oxygen. Without sufficient oxygen, we are going to become fatigued, in turn leading to impair in brain function, in turn leading to impair in immune systems, that is ability to fight against infections. So this is the molecular model of hemoglobin. The subunits represented in ribbon representation. This ribbon representation traces the backbone of the protein and is often used to represent the three-dimensional structure. So the four heme groups you can see are displayed in the here. Four heme groups are displayed in the ball and stick representation. So hemoglobin with its subunits. See here, these are the subunits. Alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2. These are the heme group. Center here you can see iron, that is ferrous. So let us see what are cytochromes. Electron transfer proteins that carry heme as the prosthetic group are called as cytochromes. They are involved in photosynthesis, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Function is related to valence change of heme iron, that is between Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. Cytochrome C is functionally involved in electron transport chain of mitochondrial unit, in turn leading to ATP synthesis. So let us see the role of cytochromes. The main role of cytochrome is to carry electrons from one complex of integral membrane proteins of the inner mitochondrial membrane to another. So cytochrome C has a primary structure consisting of a chain of about 100 amino acids. Many higher order organisms possesses a chain of 104 amino acids. Cytochrome C is a heme protein that is localized in the compartment between the inner and the outer mitochondrial membranes, where it functions to transfer electrons between complex 3 and complex 4 of the respiratory chain. So let us see the discovery of the cytochrome. Cytochromes were first discovered by Charles A. Machman in the year 1886, and it was rediscovered by David Kalin in the year 1925, who also identified their function in the cell respiration. So let's see how is Fe, that is ferrous and heme group, bound to the cytochrome C. The heme is covalently bonded to the protein via the disulfide bonds. When cytochrome C is in oxidized form, an electron is transferred from cytochrome BC1 complex to the heme, that is Fe3+, reducing it to Fe2+. So cytochrome C is a very small heme protein which is associated with the inner membrane of the mitochondria. Here you can see the cytochrome C. This is the inner membrane of the mitochondria. You can see the ATP synthesis also. Here you can see the structure of heme with oxygen and without oxygen. So iron metal center of the cytochrome C. This is the iron metal center of the cytochrome C. Electron transport chain, although the heme iron metal center changes oxidation state during the electron transport chain process. Here the oxidation and the reduction takes place, leading to the synthesis of ATP. You can see the role of cytochrome C in the electron transport chain. So this is the RBC molecule and oxygenated and deoxygenated RBC. This plays a very major role in our body. This is the hemoglobin molecule with the helical shape of a polypeptide molecule. Thank you all for watching. Images used for explanation belongs to the respective owners. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.